Welcome back to another episode of Penny for Your Thoughts. It's your boy Chuck, and today we back with another sneaker review. In this episode of Penny for Your Thoughts, we're talking about a shoe that had a dope concept going with it, man. I thought the shoe was fire, so I had to get my hands on it. And I was able to get my hands on it a little early, man. The shoe is not scheduled to come out till the Saturday coming up. I know a lot of stores are not getting them. These shoes are definitely going to be QS, and I think they're going to be pretty hard, for people to get their hands on them. So once I got them in my hands, I figure I'll do a review for you guys, just in case you guys are on the fence about copping or whatever the case may be. I've seen them on StockX. They're not going for that much on StockX, so if you want them, you probably have to pay a little extra. You should be able to get your hands on the pair. We're talking about the Air Max 90 Mars Landing. This shoe, man, is different, man. It's a different shoe, man, but it's fire. So, I had to bring it to the channel so you guys can check it out. But before we do that, I'm going to need for you guys to hit that subscribe button and hit that bell icon so you guys can be notified we dropping new content to the channel. And also, you guys can follow us on our social media accounts on Instagram and on Twitter at PENNY_4YT. That's on Instagram and on Twitter. You guys can also email us if you guys want to get any of this Penny for Your Thoughts merch that you see me wearing in all these videos, man. As you can see, I got the red hoodie on with the Dreams Don't Have Deadlines hoodie with the black camo brim, red P4YT logo hat. If you guys want to purchase any of this stuff, everything's available. You guys can email us at P4YT2016@gmail.com. But enough with the talking. Let's get into the shoe. Here you guys go. Air Max 90 Mars Landing. Clean shoe. Got my hands on it early, so I had to bring it to you guys. You guys can get a look at it. You know how we do over here. Penny for Your Thoughts. Let's get into the shoe, man. As you can see, the whole shoe looks like the planet Mars, but it's 3M reflective all over, man. We got the orange and black all in here. It looks just like Mars. On the midsole here, you got the 3M specs on it. You got the silver airbag, of course. Silver Nike Air in the back, pretty much just like on all Air Max 90s. And inside, you got the Air Max 90 here. You can see that. Got the Nike swoosh here and the material. Orange laces. This shoe does come with 3 different laces. It comes with 2 wax laces, and then it also has another orange lace with 3M going through the lace. So, I think I'm gonna swap out and put the 3M lace inside of it. You can see on the tongue, got the Nike Air sign on it. Also got a new size tag on it. I don't think I've seen the size tag on this shoe. You guys can check this out. I haven't seen this size tag on this shoe. You got a little bit of the Mars thing going on the inside, man. Super dope shoe, man. The shoe is just clean. Can't wait to wear it in the summertime, man. Pull it out, man. I got a lot of heat for the summer. I've been stashing, ready to pull these out and a bunch of other pairs that I've pretty much been copying and holding on to that I haven't worn yet. But let me know what you guys think about this, man. I think this is clean, man. Straight to the point. I remember a couple years ago, Nike came out with some other, I think it was the Moon, if I'm not mistaken, man. Let me know which shoe that was in the comments below. Air Max 90 Moon. I think it had the moon and it had the American flag on the Air Max sign here, if I remember correctly, man, how the shoe looked. And I think it had the Lunar sole. It didn't have the OG, so it had the Lunar Air Max 90 sole. That shoe was dope, man, and this is the second version of it. I think this is dope. I was able to get my hands on it early, so I had to bring it to you guys, man. The shoe is just clean, straight to the point, man. It's not an everyday shoe, something that you can wear every day, but it's definitely a shoe that you can put on and get some looks. If you want to get those looks, those looks like, what are those? What is he wearing? And why when the light goes by, it flashes and it makes the shoe look different. So like if you looking to get those type of response from people, man, this is a shoe you definitely should get your hands on. And the price ain't really that high, man. I seen it for about $250, in a size 9. This is my personal pair, size 9. They're going for like $250 in that price range, so that's not bad, man. A little extra. The shoe was $160 plus tax. In New York City, that's $174.20. This is just clean, man. The whole Mars setup thing, man, is just a fire shoe. Y'all already know what time it is. It's time for us to rate this shoe, man. I don't know, man. I'm kind of on the fence on what I want to rate it, man. But I definitely think this shoe is fire, man. It's kind of, acquired taste, man. A lot of people may like this shoe. A lot of people might not like this shoe. I know my guy Julio, he got these super early. He probably got them about a week early. Paid $300, man. So a lot of people that I rock with like this shoe, man. But I like it a lot, man. I like it a lot. So I'm gonna keep it all the way a buck, because that's all I can do. And I'm gonna give this shoe, man, 4 out of 5 pennies, man. Definitely well worth it. Well put together shoe. I don't think Nike did too much. Sometimes they do too much on shoes, and I just think this is one of the ones where I think they got it right. If you want to make a shoe about Mars, this is how you do it. Let me know what you guys think, man. It's right here for y'all, man. If you want to get a look at it, even better, in the BitAct, check that out. Got the Nike sign of silver again, man. I showed y'all the new size tag that Nike's incorporating in the shoes, man. If y'all think I rated this shoe too high, man, leave in the comments below, man. Let me know what you guys think. And with that being said, we keeping it 100 and not a penny less. Peace.